In English, proverbs are used to send a message to a specific group of people. In other words, a proverb is a wise saying which carries a hidden meaning. Once again, a proverb is a wise saying which carries a hidden meaning. So proverbs in Luganda, they are engero. Engero zakozesebwanga bajjajjaffe okubuulira emiti emito n'okubaako obubaka bwetusindikira abantu betuba twogera nabo. So today we are going to look at basic English proverbs we use in everyday conversations. Tugenda kulaba engero zetutera okukozesa mu bulamu bwaffe obwa bulijjo. Okay, let's get started. Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. So this suggests that our actions we do perform, they speak more louder than the words that we do speak out. In other words, one should act more rather than talking. Omuntu alina okukola ennyo okusinga okwogera okungi. Okukola kusinga okwogera okungi. Okukola kusinga okwogera okungi. Actions speak louder than words. The second proverb is, every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. This suggests that we should be positive even in bad situations. Being positive even in bad situations, because we learn something good out of that bad situation. So in every bad situation, always try hard to learn something positive out of it. Mu buli kizibu mubaamu ekyokuyiga. Mu buli kizibu mubaamu ekyokuyiga. So obanga oyita mu matongo, gezaako nnyo okulaba nga obaamu essomo ly'oyigiramu erigenda okugasa mu maaso eyo. So every cloud has a silver lining. Mu buli kizibu mubaamu ekyokuyiga. Olugero olwo we lutegeeza. Number 3, we have a stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9. Very common phrase. A stitch in time saves 9. What does this suggest? So this shows the importance of addressing small problems rather than waiting for them to exaggerate. Are we together? So it shows the importance of addressing small problems before they become big or before they become huge. So in other words, luno olugero lutuyigiriza okugonjoola obuzibu nga bukyali butono okusinga okubulinda okusajjuka. So okugonjoolanga obuzibu nga bukyali butono okusinga okubulinda okusajjuka. A stitch in time saves 9. Gonjoolanga obuzibu nga bukyali butono nga okusinga okubulinda okuba obunene nga tokyasobola kubugonjoola. Better late than never. Better late than never. This tells us to do something rather than failing to try it out. Are we together? So better late than never. This suggests that we should do something rather than not doing it at all. We should try to do something even if we have limited time rather than not trying to do it at all. Lutukubiriza okukola ekintu okusinga obutakolerako ddala. Better late than never. Nti oyinza okuba ogenda ku mukolo naye n'ogamba sigenda kugenda kubanga ngenda tuuka late. Naye kisingako okugenda n'otuuka late okusinga obutagenderako ddala. So better late than never. You should better try something rather than not doing it at all. Are we together? So better late than never kisingako okukola ekintu okusinga obutakolerako ddala. Look before you leap. Look before you leap. So this proverb encourages us to think of the repercussions, to think of the results that are going to be the outcomes of what we are doing. So kino kitukubiriza okulowooza ku biki ebiyinza okuvaamu ekyo kye tuba tugenda okukola. So buli kyogenda okukola olowoozanga nnyo ku biki ebiyinza okuvaamu nga tonnaba kukikola. So look before you leap. Kirowooza, you should think of the results. You should think of the outcomes before you do perform that action. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. This suggests that practice a lot so as to know better how to do something. In order for you to gain confidence in doing something, you should practice as many times as possible. So practice makes perfect. Okwegezaamu kuleeta obumanyirivu. Practice makes perfect. Okwegezaamu kuleeta obumanyirivu mu buli kyogenda okukola. So you should practice a lot so that you gain confidence and you gain the insights of how to do something. So weegezeemu nnyo oyige okukola ekintu mu butuufu bwakyo ofune obumanyirivu. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This explains that one should not put all his effort and time in one thing. Explains that one should not put all the effort and resources in one thing, as he could lose it all. Nti omuntu talina kuteeka maanyi ge na bintu bye mu kintu kimu kubanga ayinza obifiirwa byonna. Try to set up as many businesses as possible such that once you lose one, at least you have other backups. Understand? Teeka sente zo mu kintu kimu. Olina okugezaako okuteeka sente zo mu bintu ebirala such that w'ofiirwa kino olinawo w'osobola okujja sente ezo. That w'ofiirwa ekintu ekimu ebintu ebirala bisobola okuyamba okwezimba. Okay, we shall look at more proverbs in the next video. Bye. Wherever. Remember, here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye. Wherever.